Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video, we'll show you how you can cancel your Shopify subscription. After you cancel your Shopify subscription, you will no longer get charged from Shopify or any app you installed on Shopify. So to cancel your Shopify subscription, go to settings and in settings, select plan. Now from here, click on deactivate store and you can select from 3 options. The first option is to pause your store, but this will cost you 10 euros per month. The second option is to start a new store instead with the Shopify free trial, and the last option is to deactivate your store. If you want to delete your store and cancel your Shopify subscription, you can click on deactivate store. Now, before you cancel your Shopify subscription, I recommend you to cancel any unwanted subscriptions from Shopify apps and third-party developers. So to do that, you would just need to go to billing, and if you had any subscriptions here, you would need to cancel them first. After you cancel your subscriptions from third-party apps, you can go back to plan, deactivate store, and continue with your cancellation. Now here, just select any of these reasons and click on continue. Here you can enable storing your payment details for easier store reopening in case you decide to use your store again, but I will not select that, and then just enter here your password. Now click on deactivate store and your Shopify subscription has been successfully cancelled. Thank you for watching this video till the end and make sure to leave a like and subscribe.